Take a seat and gather round at the corner table where the voices sound. Stories, laughs, and real talk flow from AVV. It's your favorite show.
All great things start somewhere. Some with a dream, others with a group chat no one reads. Hello everyone and welcome to the second episode of Corner Table Talks, powered by Anand Vidya Vihar, where serious conversations happen in a not so serious manner and on one very overworked table. I'm Aishwarya Rao, your host and the Vice President of Interact Club AVV Cosmo, which basically means that I get the joy of starting new projects with bold enthusiasm and finishing them with mild existential crisis and sleep deprivation. In today's episode, we will be diving into the beautifully chaotic, mildly dramatic, and wildly rewarding world of Interact Club life, where selfless acts and community service somehow end with Canva crashes at 2 a.m. And no, I'm not alone. Joining me are two meticulous members of the club. One who very efficiently organizes all the fieldwork, and the other makes us look decent on social media. First up, we have Shikha Dholakia from class 11, our president, and someone who can juggle her academics while coordinating with schools on the outskirts of the city and still spare time for fellowships. We welcome you, Shikha. Following her, we have Maliha Kathiara, our community outreach chair, who makes us look presentable in front of social media in the scary evaluation of the public eye and also edits out our breakdowns. Welcome, Maliha. Before we begin, I'd like to provide a little context on what the Interact Club really is and why it matters for AVV. Interact Club, founded by Rotary International, is a global youth-led service organization for students aged 12 to 18. At AVV Cosmopolitan, we began our journey with Creating Smiles, a drive where we distributed stationery and supplies to children from underprivileged backgrounds to extend warmth on the Christmas day. Following that, we've had multiple events, namely Healing Hearts, wash sessions, and our latest diaper bag distribution drive at government hospitals. There are countless more on the list, but we'll save that for some other time. Right now, let's unpack what it actually takes to manage the club. Starting with you, Shikha. You have been at the heart of almost every project. What did you think was the most emotionally challenging project and how did you push through it?
Well, I honestly feel that each project had its own emotional weight because at the end of the day, we were dealing with real people and real problems. But if I had to pick one, it would definitely be the wash sessions that we did, which was water and sanitation and hygiene sessions in over 10 underprivileged schools. The kids already knew about hygiene and sanitation, but no one explained it to them in a way that mattered and they understood. So with our storytelling segments and live demonstrations, we were able to instill the idea of hygiene and sanitation in their minds. And the entire event that we had was so fun because they were able to understand what we were saying. I think that brought a smile to our face.
That's beautifully said. Indeed, it is one thing to plan a project, but completely another to step into someone else's world with this much grace and empathy. Well, coming to Maliha, since you handle social media, it has always looked polished. But what in actuality happens behind the scenes?
Unsurprisingly, being the outreach chair has been such an emotional roller coaster, but I would say it was all worth it. A lot of people assume that outreach just means handling social media and its niceties. And yeah, that's a big part of it. But I also actively participate on the groundwork alongside my fellow interactors. And I have had a lot of tough moments too, such as late night editing,
Relatable.
juggling through academics and club activities. But I have never felt that my work has been overlooked because my interactors have always had my back and they have appreciated my work throughout this year. And that means the world to me.
That's so sweet. But see, picture perfect posts with aesthetic captions may look effortless, but we all know that what looks effortless demands the most efforts. Their outcomes are always visible, but these efforts, not so much. So my question to you, Shikha, is that do you think our work gets acknowledged enough? And if not, how do you deal with the invisibility?
I think it's not always acknowledged. For example, there's a lot of things that go backhand, like planning, logistics, and video calls. But we've come to realization that we're not doing this for visibility. Real motivation comes from this change that we bring in people's lives. Plus, when someone from school randomly comes up to us and says, "Oh, hey, I saw what you did and that was amazing," I think those are the small moments that we work hard for.
That's true, honestly. And real service happens when no one is watching. Now, Maliha, since you are the latest updated member of the group, what was that one experience that changed your outlook towards the club and dawned upon you the realization that what we are doing is bigger than all of us?
Your question reminds me of a very memorable interaction that I had with an elderly lady. It was during one of my very first events as an interactor. And it was on our visit to Amulya Home Care, where we were all supposed to just brighten their day. And this lady and I started to have such an effortless conversation, and what started as a casual chat immediately turned into a genuine friendship. We discussed about our families, and she gave me a lot of advices which I still keep in my day-to-day life. And I realized that Interact is not about community service, but it is about creating bonds and strengthening relationships. And I try to remember this each and every day.
That's so sweet and incredibly moving. But that's the kind of spirit that wins you 7 awards at Ananta District Conference merely as first-timers, including the best project and best presentation. So, kudos to us. On that note, let us begin with a fun segment, this or that. No pauses or explanations, unless of course it's controversial. Just instincts. Ready? Let's go. Shikha, coordinating outfits or coordinating volunteers?
Coordinating outfits. Because I think coordinating outfits is easier than coordinating volunteers.
Sure. Hosting an event in pouring rain or heat so aggressive your sunscreen evaporates. P.S. We've done both.
Hosting
rain.
a rain and pouring.
Pouring rain. In rain, because it's easier.
Right.
Yeah, and we have also done it, and it's
Yeah,
It's fun.
It's fun. Wash sessions or healing hearts?
Wash sessions.
healing hearts. I just love the elderly.
I love kids.
Okay. Diaper bag distribution or creating smiles, but both in 40-degree heat.
Creating smiles.
Creating smiles.
Wow. See, no matter what you pick, chaos follows. But so does humanity and service. And that's why we keep showing up. To the dutiful audience watching us, remember, community service doesn't need a mic or a title. All it needs is courage, consistency, and pure intentions. A heartfelt thanks to all the members of Interact Club, especially those here with us, for sharing the reality behind pretty posts, the resilience behind big smiles, and the kind of leadership that gets you through it all. Until then, same corner, new tales. This is Aishwarya Rao, your host, signing out. Thank you.
The corner table talks, where we all